This is our twist on sweet and sour sauce for everyone who likes to spice things up. Bringing back memories of old school sweet and sour pork, the plum sauce adds a beautiful fruity note and takes it to the next level. This video is all about the sauce. We've used the crispy tofu recipe, but you can pretty much use any protein you like: chicken, pork, prawns. Make it your own. Welcome to our kitchen, where we show you that good food doesn't need to be difficult, expensive, or need tons of space. Okay, let's get started. Add enough oil to a cold pan to cover the bottom. Cut your dried tofu into nugget or bite-sized pieces and place them straight into a tray of potato starch. Turn to coat all sides. Lay your tofu in the pre-oiled pan, making sure that they are spaced apart to prevent sticking together. Now put your pan on a medium to low heat. We're going to fry the tofu twice to get them nice and crispy. You'll know the tofu is ready when you've got a light and slightly hard coating formed. Flip your tofu and repeat on the other side. When both sides are lightly cooked, take them out of the pan for a few minutes. Turn up the heat to medium-high and put the tofu back in the pan. Let the tofu cook until it starts to brown, then flip and fry the other side. Once the tofu is golden brown, take them out of the pan while we make the sauce. Back to the chopping block. Cut a half green capsicum or bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Now do the same with half a red capsicum or bell pepper. We're using a green and red capsicum partly to pay homage to the good old-fashioned sweet and sour dishes, but mostly because it'll look better in the thumbnail. Next, roughly chop an onion into large pieces. Normally we would use a white or brown onion, but we only had some red onion in the pantry, so that's what we went with. To make the sauce, we need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup, one tablespoon of Korean fermented chili paste, better known as gochujang. You can substitute a hot chili sauce if you don't have gochujang. Just use a thick chili sauce, nothing too watery. 2 tablespoons of water, 1 bottle of plum sauce. We're using a bottle of plum sauce. Then stir to combine. If you prepped your ingredients ahead of time, the pan should still be hot. If not, put your pan on a medium to low heat and add the onions to the pan. You just want to warm up your onions before adding the capsicum. Stir through your ingredients just to warm everything through. Add your sauce to the pan and bring everything to a light simmer. Thanks to the cornstarch, your sauce should thicken a little. Once thick, turn off the heat and wait until the sauce starts bubbling before adding your tofu back to the pan. Give everything a stir to coat your tofu and we're ready to plate up. Serve this with a bowl of rice and you have a warm plate of comfort that didn't take all day to make and all in one pan. Did we mention this was a one-pan recipe? Right, here's our one-pan sweet, sour, spicy tofu that won't take you all day to prepare. Well, thanks for joining us, and remember, you're welcome in our kitchen anytime. We thought we'd let Henry show you the crunch test this time.
Okay.